Guys, today we are. Can I shout out you? Hi guys, today we are with Roda.
Rodi.
Hi,
Hello.
Rodi.
From Morocco.
Yes, he's from Morocco, guys.
Africa.
Yeah,
And we
Africa.
have water, don't worry.
Look at the beautiful sunset.
Yes.
Wait. Bye, 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 Roda, bye, Rodi. You are going to see you in my channel. Bye. Guys, nandito pa rin kami. We are at Dolomite Beach. And yes, Rodi is very nice. Nandun siya sa isang part. Grabe, napaka-awesome niya. Uuwi na kami. So, tignan niyo yung sunset, oh. Wow, very nice. Ayan na si... Dito na naman tayo, guys. Nakakat ng ano ko. Basta. Oo, wait lang. Wait lang, hugas ko na pa. Gagi guys, nawala sila.
Labas na po lahat, makikita yun po.
Ano si Gagi? Saan na sila? Reset. Ayun na pala sila. Gagi guys, oh. May ilaw pa rin. Shout out to Rodi. You are very nice and very cool. Ha? Oh, nandun pa siya. Bye, Rodi! There he is. There he is. I think that's him. Guys, I can't see him anymore. Hey!